Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are trying Filipino food for our
first time.
For the first time.
You know it. Clean me up, first lady. You know.
First time.
I ain't gonna lie.
Why are we having Filipino food today, my love?
I tell you that every time you ask me that every week because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building, and you know what we got here today, first lady. And this food was catered by Elaine Knight. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Elaine Knight. You done already. What the thing said. So we have to go hard.
So in this video, we have a lot of family members. Richie was mentioning it earlier. We have Sharon Johnson in this video.
You know.
Who catered us with our Gatorade.
Okay.
And then we have Elaine Knight, who catered this fabulous meal. Then we have Joyce Mack, where Richie has the tray that has his food on it that he's eating. Yes. And then we have none other than the
Twin Green in the building. We are here.
Everybody's in this video.
Everybody's in this video.
Okay.
Tell me what we got, first lady.
So what we have is, Richie has a fish combo. It's called bangas. Okay, and you can show it to them, my love.
Show them. Listen, don't do it because it's my first time taking. Let me show you what we got in here. How does it look?
So that's bangas.
And then we got the bangas with yep. Boneless fish.
Boneless fish.
Okay.
And then which one is this, my love?
This is the lumpia. Shout out to DCNC family. I saw them eating this and I told Papa D and Miss C I have to try it. They was eating Filipino food too. Filipino food? Yeah, yep.
And so that's how it looks?
That's how it looks. So I had to try it. Shout out to y'all. Y'all know that family. What you got over there, first lady?
Okay, then we have pankit. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry.
Yes. With
shrimp. And it's actually pankit bohan. Okay, again, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry.
We're sorry about that.
This is how it looks. Guys, we couldn't wait till we get home to eat this food.
You had to do it.
Because it's about 45 minutes away.
You drove deep.
We can't drive with this kind of smell in the car, okay?
Exactly.
We got to pull over and eat the food right away.
That's right.
Okay, then I have some adobo chicken with white rice.
We have adobo chicken. Watch your shirt.
Yeah, we have adobo chicken with garlic rice, actually.
Yes.
Something
you smell
different.
It? They smell
delicious,
it
delicious.
Yes,
Can you see that, family? Delicious.
Smell good. What we have got, first lady? And
then also what I have is pata. I wanted to try it, guys. Look at that! Look at that!
People looking like you crazy. Show them. We show you how the food. Get out of here. We show you how you're not getting none.
Oh my gosh. So we are going to go ahead, and Richie has his food that he can just eat. Okay, family. And I'm gonna get some noodles over here.
Hold on.
Look at the noodles. Okay, I'm gonna put it in this plate. When you're doing a car bang, 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 it's
here.
You have to be strategic. You understand?
Oh, and we also got.
What we also got, baby?
Damn, I can't reach it.
What's back there?
The pepper.
Oh.
You can reach it right there behind the bag.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, family. So we went ahead, and Richie is getting his sauce that Twin Green provided him.
No, it is here. We got it.
I'm excited to try that.
I'm excited to try this damn food. I couldn't. Ooh, look at this. I almost poured out deep enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the noodles, guys.
Okay.
May I put some of this? What is this called again, honey?
Wow. Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Tom, this one hot enough?
Hot.
Smell it. Smell it.
It's tearing you up?
Yeah, smell it. Okay. How does it smell?
Awesome.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Whee!
I'm scared.
All right. What do you want?
No. I'm going to go ahead and try the noodles. Okay. I like these kind of noodles because they're thinner.
Okay. There's a thin one too. Let me hear. Take piece. Take some here. Yeah. All right. I'll hold it for y'all. Okay. Good. All right.
Okay. That is good.
Okay. We got something here. Okay. Wow. Pepper lick.
This remind me, it's hot. This remind me of when a Chinese store when I eat those noodles.
Oh yeah, Joe.
What's it called? Something fun?
Yeah, fun crap.
Fun something.
Family. Damn. The two of us slurping up.
Me not hide.
No, I got it. We drove deep. LA Night, we appreciate you for this beautiful catering.
This is good.
LA Night. Here, I'll make you try the fish.
That's a big fish.
A big fish. Boneless too. Take your time. Bite piece. There you go. Bite. Okay. Good. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate that. We had to go deep for this one, so you know.
I'm gonna try the sauce. It's hot, you said?
Decent. We down the mother sauce at time. Wow.
This stuff is good.
Right?
Very good.
This is good. This is good.
Let me tell you something.
Here, take a piece of lumpia. This is chicken in the eye. They had the one with chicken and pork, but I just got a chicken. No?
When we went in there, we did some research because, as you guys know, I watch Big Guy Appetite, right? And when he eats his food, he makes you want to go out right away and go buy it. So he was eating this food and I was like, I've got to try it. So we got here and we did some research, like I said, and found some things that we was gonna try. But when we got inside, we was like, oh, okay, this is a lot of stuff. So we asked the lady, we said, we're new to eating Filipino food. What do you recommend? And most of the things that we were thinking about getting is what she was recommending. And while we were sitting there waiting for our food family, she was feeding us.
She was feeding us. I said, man, this lady don't know what we got in store for her.
So nice.
This is good. This is good.
Whoa!
First time.
That hot sauce is hot.
Yeah, I told you.
This food is good. And their service, very pleasant.
Yep.
Very nice. They don't make you feel like, all right, like what are you doing in here?
What are you doing here?
Yeah. They make you feel welcome.
You want to taste my fish? She says boneless. Full of bone too. Be careful.
It's boneless?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna get tilapia, but I said, you know what? I want to try something different.
Try something different.
Catch tilapia all the time. So how do y'all like it? Y'all didn't comment and let me know, okay? Family, we couldn't rate to reach home. It was too far. Food was smell too good.
Too good.
Damn, we haven't touched your pork thing yet.
That means I said we didn't eat the adobo chicken.
What? You got look here.
And you had some noodles, the shrimp. The shrimp.
We got a lot.
A lot of food family.
Well. We had to go hard on it. What do you think? Should go?
It's a go.
Okay, good.
This is my favorite thing so far, the noodles. And this right here.
Lumpia.
That's the only thing I've eaten so far, so how's it my favorite?
I said I had to see it. When they was eating, I said, yeah, I had to go try it.
I love crispy things. You guys know that. That's why I love thin crust pizza, egg rolls, stuff like that. I like when it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, which this is.
I'm getting too much noodles. But noodles got chicken in it, I gotta get them some.
Oh. And then, I would love to go to Thailand one day.
Yeah?
Because I heard the food is really good. And if you want to go and have like a great experience, as far as like waterfalls, the jungle, riding like those RTVs, what them called? ATVs? What them called?
ATV.
That.
This is good. I don't know if we got no Filipino Filipino family member, but
Woo.
if you are, leave a comment. This is good.
Very good. All right, I'm eating the rest of my noodles. And I'm gonna try.
Wow. I just want to brush down this one first and jump on to the next one. I like the small noodle.
The small noodle is really good. All right. Let me tell you how the lady in the store was like, you should get the bigger one. I said, ma'am, I love pork, but my husband, he doesn't eat pork.
She said, what are you, a vegetarian?
So if I get the big one, and I can't finish it, who's gonna finish
That's
it?
big. That's what is a pork what? A pork leg?
A pork leg.
Wow.
This is it, family.
For all the pork lovers out there, here you go.
This is it. That's it. You see that?
They could see it. Come on now. You got to can't see. Come on. Why you gonna do that? They could see it. Damn, that shit look good. Family, don't worry. When we get up there, and I feel like we had a decent numbers, I'm gonna roast a whole pig. I told you already.
No, sir.
Good?
Good. Oh my gosh. I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but I'm gonna
Josh on it.
put a little bit on it. Try it first.
Try first. How is it? Damn. That's good. Enjoy your pork over there, First Lady. Okay?
Oh my, oh my.
Enjoy it. Alright? For the pork lovers. Help her out with that. They're gonna help you. Can you help with it? They'll help you. So how your Friday going?
This is a small one. Foot. This can't be a small. It can't be a small family. If somebody hit you with this, you knock out, you know.
It's just small. That's big. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
The skin.
Family, this food good. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, why wouldn't it be?
I know. That is really good.
What's mine over here now?
Okay.
Damn, First Lady. You teared up that pork there, girl. Family, trust me.
Or you want noodles or you want to try the adobo chicken?
Me adobo chicken.
Okay.
What to do? Okay, family, you already started, right? This is adobo chicken.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some of that. All right. Wow. Here. There you go.
That's adobo chicken.
That's adobo chicken. Take a bite right here. Good. Garlic. The garlic rice.
Yeah.
Chicken nice and soft too.
Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like it. How it tastes?
Make it taste. It tastes like stew chicken. Wow, that garlic. I don't want to get a big piece.
We have so much food.
We have so much. Take it right there. Good, right? Family, this is good.
It's so soft.
So soft. That's why I said it's soft and tender. Damn. This is
when
good.
you don't know, go try different.
Try different food. This is good. Wow.
You want some of the noodles?
I soon come with some of that.
Oh, my bad. My favorite too right here.
This is good. And it's so seasoned. So this is mine? Okay. Family, I didn't even finish my fish yet. Gotta come back to this.
Oh my gosh.
Don't be afraid to try other food.
The worst thing can happen is you don't like it.
I don't like it. That's it.
You know?
But don't be afraid. I ain't afraid to try that joint. I put my sauce again on it. Watch it. Blood, no, that's much blood. I forgot I don't got a hole in it.
What in the world?
You say you don't want no more. You don't want it, right?
My friend, it's very good. It's very good though, but I'm offering you my pork leg. All right.
Good. Eat your pork leg. We're gonna finish this. Yes. Family. I'm gonna give you some of the gravy.
This is an epic video now.
Damn.
A Wally family member.
Family member in this video today. Here, family. There you go. There you go. All right.
This reminds me. This right here reminds me of when we lived in Fort Lauderdale.
You like that thing?
I know I do. we lived in Fort Lauderdale. And I went to the nail salon getting my nails done. No lies. We lived in Fort Lauderdale, and I worked at a store next to the nail salon, and I used to always go in there and mess with them. And they was making some food in the back, and they brought some over. It was shrimp wrapped in the roll.
In a roll.
And fried and dipping. It was so good.
This right here. Family. Wow. This is good.
All right, guys. I've got to go back into my pork leg, my pata. I like saying that, pata.
I'm gonna tell you say tata.
You guys be hiding out, but
damn.
I know you guys also.
I love food. We give you a lot of gravy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you guys want us to also do African food, but
we're gonna have to set that one up.
Yeah.
To go down there. It's deep.
That one is 3 hours away.
It's deep, family.
So, but we will definitely gonna do it one day.
Yeah, take put one piece of the fish. There you go. Take a piece more. Family. While we're here enjoying the feast, I save story time for tomorrow.
What story time, baby?
What though? Cool.
Oh, yeah.
That's a story time for tomorrow.
Yeah, family. That one needs to be.
Yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow. I need a sit down one.
Yeah.
I'll save that story time tomorrow. So just watch us enjoying this. Pacquiao, your food is good. Appreciate that. Manny Pacquiao.
Oh. This restaurant is in Lachahachi. That's what you say, baby?
Yeah, Lachahachi, yeah.
Lachahachi, Florida.
Florida, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. This is
so.
If you live here, remember the name of it?
The name of the restaurant. Where you going? Oh, the name of the restaurant. It's called Cabanyan. Cabanyan Restaurant. Restaurant. Kabayan. Cabanyan.
Yep. Lachahachi.
Woo!
Florida. If y'all close to it, y'all go try it.
Me say.
Somebody want it.
No, yeah. This thing right, I'm telling you, this thing right here is what dropped. Okay. Something big man. I'm just gonna turn it like this.
Dump it out in nothing.
Yeah, put it in here. All right.
See, when it's supposed to help you, they don't want to help you. See that, right?
Hey.
What?
There's no way.
You gotta eat
no way.
You gotta eat a big one. Bite it. Look down. You heard the person say that I eat pork out the camera. Bite that shit. Family, don't worry. I'm telling you. When we feel like we get up there a little bit more,
don't be tempted.
I'm a roast a whole pork. Whole pig.
There's no way, family. I promise you that I could sit here. She said. She
try the big one,
to
get more
me
meat.
to get the big one, can get more meat. I'm like,
Only because she thought I ate pork. She already looked and said, this damn boy, look like he could eat already.
What's bigger than this?
That camera don't do no justice. They can't even see.
It's huge.
That's huge. That's like a turkey leg.
No, stop. It's good though, but it's huge. And she want me to get a bigger one, she mad?
Yeah, because she sent me some little career.
You
don't eat pork? I said no.
We've gotten so used to eating food in the car.
Yep.
We try to have a system.
Okay.
It's rough, but we like car bangs.
Now we got the shrimp noodles. There you go. Still hot, piping hot. Eat some of that. And take them some.
I ate some of that food and it doesn't look like I ate any of that noodles. Okay. What do you call it again? The pancake.
They didn't give no sauce for this to grate on this?
Pancake.
Okay.
You want some of this?
Oh, a little bit on the noodles. Yeah. Alright, that's that. Because I want you eating. Family. And it's hot. It's not like it's cold, it's hot.
Ew. Okay. I bit it, so I'm gonna dip it in some sauce. I had this sauce over here, I'm gonna dip it.
Wow.
I mean,
oh.
Woo!
And shout out to everybody.
Oh yeah.
There was a lot of y'all. Shout out to everybody. I won't call name, I won't leave nobody out. Yeah, got the question what I asked right. It was the glasses, glass and the cups. So shout out to everybody. I got it right for today.
The glasses? It was just the cups.
Yeah, some people call it glasses.
Oh.
The cup glasses. You understand?
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, it's a cup. So it's the same thing.
So if you said glasses or cups, you
yeah,
was right.
You was right.
Oh,
so shout out to everybody. Yep. The Richie cup and the First Lady cup.
Yep.
A lot of people say the outfit of the day too.
Yeah, but the outfit of the day, but I'm trying to do it like twice a week. So at least I can commit to that. Because I don't want to keep on telling you guys, oh, you'll have one tomorrow. At least you guys know, okay, if she doesn't have an outfit of the day today, she'll have one tomorrow. You know, I want you guys to, I want to be consistent, so.
Yeah. Food talk. Oh, your pork.
Pork, good man. Pork. My pork, my full, you know? My pork.
Pork, put your baby.
My pork, I'm going to keep this as a weapon. I have a napkin dip on or something. I'm going to keep this as a weapon. Got the meat. Dip it in the sauce.
She wanted to give you something bigger than that?
Bigger than this shit, Maya? Like what you said? Look, listen to the skin.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna take a piece of this. Yo.
Wow.
Skin. Where did you get this from? What is this? A ham hock?
That's from the cow. Not the cow. The pig. The pig.
Anyhow, it's from the cow. Trust me, this would have been gone already. This would be in my hand.
That's a pig foot. Family.
The crunchy skin is my favorite. And I can't get it off all the way.
Wow. This was worth it. This was worth it. This was a good cater. Thank you again. Friday night.
Oh.
Well, family, this was delicious.
So good.
No cap.
Ooh.
Explore different options of food.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get around here. At worst, when we start traveling, that's gonna make it worse. We're going everywhere. But Filipino food was very nice. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna give you that wow. And then man, First Lady is gonna chill. Alright? So listen to this, First Lady, listen to this, family. The people who truly care about you won't have to tell you they care. They'll show you.
That's true.
Again, family. The people who truly care about you won't have to tell you they care. They will always show you. Okay? You can relate?
Yep.
Relate. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? We know y'all care. And you know we care. So we don't have to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all know that already. So, with being said, appreciate you again, Elaine Knight, for catering this
thank you so much.
meal. We had to go far for this. You know what I'm saying?
It was worth
Hope
it.
you enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? It was worth it, actually. It was worth it. Trust me, cause yo, I love my food seasoned. The food was seasoned.
All the containers are in here. That's empty.
Everything.
Everything is done.
And for all other family members, we appreciate every one of y'all too. Also, everybody, for the new subscriber, this is the greedy. Sorry, this is the greedy couple. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and this is Richie, aka Pastor Richie, and they are.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Car bang.
Car bang can't and car can't
car
move.
Bang bang bang
Can't
bang.
enjoy the car bang. Car can't move man. Yeah. Bye.